as they pinch through the first turn into the second, and Torrente gets clear of Thaniel Quimsey and chasing down from the back in third position. It looks like it's one of the French team drivers coming up on the CTIC China boat. That could be Philippe Shep trying to push up in third with Jonas Anderson right there. But first and second is Sean Torrente, Thaniel Quimsey. Jonas Anderson has moved past Marit Stromoy, and right behind him there is Philippe Shep.
Yeah, a lot of mayhem going on there in the middle of the field, but at the moment, Sean Torrente showing everybody a clean set of heels as he goes down the back straight, round the right-hander, Thaniel Quimsey doesn't seem to have an answer, but a blinding start from Jonas Anderson, hanging on in third there as Marit Stromoy tries to take him on the inside.
Great shot from our dome camera as we come up here. They're showing you exactly all the different lanes, and drivers are trying to find clear water. You don't want to stay right behind the driver. You want to slide off because you don't want the aeration to slow you down with the propeller. And the first tour is finished with 47 laps to go in the American trying to win his second straight race here in Portimao. Jonathan, this is the third straight year Sean Torrente has led lap number 1.
Yeah, driving fantastically well. I mean, they've been well prepared for this circuit. They've done a lot of testing out in Abu Dhabi. They've emulated this circuit as we go on board there with Marit Stromoy. Slipped back a little bit. She's in fourth, still hanging in there with Jonas Anderson just ahead of her, and she is starting to push. Steve, you can see Jonas just probably about 200 or 300 meters just ahead of her, but at the moment she's starting to put the hammer down.
All right, as we watch them slide their way around the course, there you can see them pinching into the corner. Very, very close as they came out of turn number 6, heading for turn number 7. As we take a look, there's Torrente out in front now through the mist and the haze. You see the battle that's going on for that third place position.
Yes, Stromoy too wide down that far end of the circuit there. Philippe Chiap was just behind her, saw there was a gap. He went for it, and he's just got ahead of her.
All right, as we take a look into the standings at this point, Francesco Catano has moved himself up a couple of spots. He's moved from 8th up to 6th. Stromoy has dropped from 3rd down to 5th. Philippe Shep sitting in that 5th place, where he qualified. He's moved up 1 spot. He's now in the 4th position.
Bit of a mistake here, as I said, for Stromoy. Not over there just a few moments ago. She left that gap there, and Chiap was so much behind her. First and second at the moment, of Torrente with a clear water ahead of him for probably the next 5 or 6 laps. Seems to be slowly but surely pulling away from his teammate Thaniel Quimsey.
All right, as we look at Peter Morin, the French driver who last year outdid his teammate, came up and finished 4th overall in the championship with 54 points. Right up there. By the way, Jonathan, how are the rookies doing? Well, how about Alberto Comparado started in 19th. He's all the way up into 11th spot. Where you look at Greg Foster who started back down in about that 15th position, and that's where he's sitting right now.
Yeah, and you can see the yellow boat there of Francesco Catano. This is the new Blaze boat that they've been working on over the winter, and it really is coming onto its own now, starting to put a bit of pressure on Marit Stromoy in 5th position. Catano is definitely going to be making a move in the next lap or 2.
Yeah, now he's jumped up 2 spots from where he took off as we take a look at Catano, and you can see right there Peter Morin pushing as hard as he can. Now he's a French long-time driver in endurance racing. This is only his second, making his 3rd year now running in Formula 1, and he's getting stronger and stronger as he's starting to have more and more races, and for him, this is only his 14th start of his career.
Yes, Stromoy now starting to put a little bit of pressure. Oh, she's lost some ground there again, going wide. Philippe Chiap seems to have the legs on her at the moment as we go back on with Stromoy again, and you can see there Cantando on the outside, one of the back markers. I beg your pardon, that's Greg Foster, the American driver that's just started racing with us this year, and I have to say been putting on a blinding pace in practice, and he's probably just going to work his way gently into the championship this year. Stromoy going through, and right behind Stromoy now we have Peter Morin, teammate to Philippe Chiap, who at the moment, and Chiap is in 4th.
It's not his first year of racing. He started in 1974, Jonathan, but his first in Formula 1, and he is in that 15th spot. And we had a chance to see Peter Morin just a minute ago on board, and Catano now dropping back quickly. There's a problem for the veteran from Italy. as Francesco Cattando's going backwards. Oh no, he's slowing down and he's heading for the pontoon. What a shame for the 23-year veteran, as he was hoping for his 15th career victory. He will not get it this afternoon, and what a shame for the driver from Milan, Italy, dropping out. He finished 11th last year in the championship. This is not a great way to start, Jonathan.
No, that's a really unfortunate for him, because I had high hopes for Cantando. He was in free practice just an hour before the race. He was up in 3rd or 4th position and doing a great job. You could see there, Stromoy a little bit wide on the outside. Chiap was just behind us, Steve. He saw that opening, he went for it, and you can see there, he just pulled ahead of her, so she lost.
Rolling yo. Daus.